cases, like they say, no one is here of the opinion that कोई गलती नहीं हुई होगी, कोई ऐसा काम नहीं है जो रह गया होगा. It is a work in progress. But if I were to ask you, sir, if I ask you that can you list 2-3 shortcomings of Jannayak Rahul Gandhi, would you be able to tell our viewers?
Sorry, what is the question?
अगर राहुल गांधी जी के आप 2-3 शॉर्टकमिंग्स गिना दें जो मतलब उनके बारे में कुछ ऐसा है जो आप बदलना चाहते हैं कि जो बहुत अच्छी चीजें नहीं है, वो बताना चाहेंगे 2-3? वो भी तो ह्यूमन बीइंग है.
कोई भी आदमी, बिल्कुल कोई भी आदमी परफेक्ट नहीं होता. चेंज इज इनएविटेबल. It is our responsibility that when change happens, it happens for good. We need to learn from our mistake and move forward. Everyone has a scope to change. I'm not saying any. अगर आप परफेक्ट हो जाएंगे तो आप भगवान हो जाएंगे. But the point is, आपकी नीति क्या है, आपकी नीयत क्या है? क्या आपकी नीति और नीयत जो है वो जनता के हितों के लिए है या इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट फ्रेंड्स के हितों के लिए है?
Industrialist friends. Okay, Shahzad, you have quite a few points to respond. Let's get started.
First of all, Pranesh, the most gladdening thing is that the first OBC, correct the echo please, the first OBC Prime Minister of this country was Deve Gowda, but he could not complete his full tenure because the Congress made his government fall. And the longest serving OBC Prime Minister of this country is Narendra Modi, who has been lauded by the first OBC Prime Minister of this country. But having said that, this is not about Modi ji's records. We are actually celebrating the records that this country is breaking. We are the fastest growing large economy in the world. We are the fastest and the biggest economy in digital payments. We are the second largest in cement production. We are the third largest exporter of mobile phones. We are the fourth largest country as far as solar generation is concerned. We are the fifth largest country as far as overall manufacturing is concerned. He asked in last 12 years what has been achieved. Forget the laurels that Prime Minister Modi has achieved world over and in India. But let me just give you some facts and figures. Defense exports, 700 crores in 2014, today 23,000 crores. Mobile manufacturing, 2 mobile phone manufacturing factories, today 300. Our exports have gone up multifold and we have become a net exporter from a net importer. Internet users up from 25 crores to 95 crores while rates have fallen from 300 rupees per GB to 10 rupees per GB. Housing for poor, few lakhs to 4 crores. Toilets, few lakhs to 12 crores. Tap water connection, 17% coverage to 85% coverage. Solar capacity, 2 gigawatts to about 110 gigawatts. Metro rail, about 250 kilometers to now about 1,000 kilometers. Expressway, 1,000 kilometers to 7,000 kilometers. Railway electrification, 21,000 kilometers up to 65,000 kilometers. Airports, 74 up to 150 airports. Digital payments, 0. Nothing was happening. Today we do 18 billion per month. This is the level of transformation that we have seen while ensuring that 25 crore people come out of poverty. But there is another record that has been broken, and this debate is actually about makeover of India and leftover for the Janta. The Congress has always given leftovers to the people, and therefore Congress is not left anywhere. The longest serving PM in opposition or PM in waiting is Rahul Gandhi for the last 12 years. And Rahul Gandhi has had a record of 99 election losses, which no other opposition leader has had. So I think even that record has been made. Just on another point, the record that Prime Minister will be breaking tomorrow of Nehruji, it is a little more special, as Mr. Deve Gowda has explained, because in 1952, we hardly had any political parties which were as strong or could give a fight to Congress. And Congress was coming from legacy of freedom struggle. And it also had Mahatma Gandhi as a leader. But today, in these times, when there is a deepening of democracy, that time Prime Minister Modi has become third time Prime Minister and has become the longest serving elected Prime Minister. That in itself shows that this is what happens when you do makeover and not throw leftover.
I'm sure you're aware of what Rahul Gandhi has said. He says 12 वर्षों की गरीब विरोधी आर्थिक नीतियों और कॉम्प्रोमाइज विदेश नीति के आज देश को ऐसे हालत में लाकर खड़ा कर दिया है जहां लाखों गरीब परिवारों और महिलाओं को लकड़ी के जहरीले धुएं की तरफ धकेल दिया गया है, so on and so forth. Shahzad,
is that question to me?
Yeah. That's for you. Rahul Gandhi's reaction on Modi completing 12 years in office.
No, look, Rahul Gandhi is a perennial pessimist and a constant cynic. Didn't he say economy is dead? And just now we have seen that the economy has grown at a rate of 7.7% and the last quarter at 7.8%. Rahul Gandhi and his family ensured that this country did not have even 100% LPG connection. Today we are giving 100% LPG connection. Yes, of course, domestic prices of LPG have gone up. But by the way, the time that Rahul Gandhi's government was in power, it was selling the LPG cylinder 14 kilos at 1241 rupees. Today, despite the nominal price rise that has taken place after 75 days of an international war, the price of LPG cylinder is about 900 odd rupees, 850, 900 rupees per 14 kg cylinder. So this means that overall the rate has come down. Those who gave 12% inflation, those who ensured that the poor had to live in kacha houses without toilets, those who did not ensure that GST was implemented because of which the basic taxes on essentials could not come down, should be the last people speaking. They are the ones.
Let
And
me
why
bring
don't they
in
cut the
Mr.
VAT?
Vivek Silas. Mr. Silas, you are from the Samajwadi Party, alliance partner of the Congress Party. What do you make of the last 12 years? Obviously, I'm sure you will have an opinion on that. But, I want to focus more about the approach, the mindset. Don't you think that has changed in the last 12 years, sir?
As Shehzad was saying, Pranesh ji, that everything has broken its record. I will tell you the record-breaking lies, I'll take a leaf out of what you said. You said women cooked in smoke-filled rooms, लेकिन कल ही भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने मोदी जी के 12 साल की उपलब्धियां भारत मंडपम में बताई. उसमें उज्ज्वला सिलेंडर का भी उन्होंने मेंशन किया, जिक्र किया. और आज अगले ही दिन उज्ज्वला सिलेंडर पर पानी डालकर तेजांजलि दे दी, सब्सिडी खत्म. पहला काम तो ये किया. धुआं मुक्त रसोई अब रसोई मुक्त भारत में बदल गई, इसमें अब कोई डाउट नहीं है, क्योंकि सिलेंडर तो अब गया है. 2019 में मैं याद दिला दूं कि 2024 तक भारत को 5 ट्रिलियन की इकोनॉमी बनाने का आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री जी ने वादा किया था, और ये कहा था कि हम तीसरे नंबर पे आ गए. और सच्चाई यही है कि हम चौथे नंबर पे पहुंच के अब 6वें नंबर पे आ गए. उन्होंने ये भी वादा किया था 2024 तक हर भारतीय के सर पे छत होगी, हर किसान की जो है वो आय दुगनी हो जाएगी. आज हकीकत यह है कि 1.9 लाख मतलब 1,90,000 किसान जो हैं हर साल आत्महत्या कर रहे हैं. 2027 तक विकसित होने का वादा किया था, अब 2047 के सपने दिखा रहे थे. 15 लाख देने का वादा किया था, 15 लाख करोड़ के घोटाले होने लग गए हैं. काला धन 100 दिन में लाने के लिए कहा था, स्विस बैंक में काला धन तीन गुना ज्यादा बढ़ चुका है. डॉलर 97 पे पहुंच गया, हम सबको पता ही है. INR जो हमारी है वो वर्स्ट परफॉर्मिंग करेंसी इन द वर्ल्ड बन गई. एक बात और बता दूं, 40,000 MSME पिछले साल, एक साल के अंदर 40,000 MSME बंद हो चुके हैं. और मेक इन इंडिया का
मैं
कुछ पता
आपका
नहीं चल
काम
रहा कि
आसान
क्या
कर
चल
देता
रहा
हूं. आप सीधा यही कह दीजिए कि राहुल गांधी सही है व्हेन ही सेज इकोनॉमी इज डेड, इंडियन इकोनॉमी इज डेड. क्या आप उस बात को एंडोर्स करते हैं, इंडियन इकोनॉमी डेड है?
Look, Pranesh, Rahul Gandhi is not the Prime Minister of the country. It is the Prime Minister who is responsible for carrying India on his shoulders.
Of course,
That is the thing.
no. The Prime Minister is responsible for carrying the country on his shoulders, but the other leaders must also speak responsibly. Is that too much to ask? When the leader of opposition says India surrendered, Narendra surrendered, etc., one can overlook the political remarks. But when you say the economy is dead, is the Indian economy dead, Mr. Silas? Specific question, I'm expecting an honest answer.
No, definitely the economy is shattered at the moment. We cannot deny from that. Yeah,
Okay.
It is shattered.
Now,